Hey guys, it's me again, just making another video for your 2001 Honda Accord EX V6 Coupe. This also will work with models from 98 to 2002. So let me ask you, have you ever had the issue where all your lights over here worked except for D4? Well, that's common for these vehicles, and that's due to the D4 light being the most commonly used when driving, because as stated on the manual of this vehicle from 98 to 2002, D4 is the recommended method of driving your vehicle. So D4 tends to burn out on a lot of these vehicles since it's the one that's always tends to be light up. If you have an issue where the light doesn't show up anymore, this video will quickly show you on how to fix that. Of course, you want to take out the cluster itself. If you don't know how to do that, I got another video on my channel that just simply explains how to do that itself. Once you do that, you're only going to need two tools: a little flathead and a pair of pliers. So to begin, you want to first bring this facing back. Please excuse the missing bulbs. This is a cluster I got at the pick and pull junkyard, and it's my cluster for testing anything before I try out on my real cluster. But as you can see, there's multiple little clips around your cluster. So with your little flathead, just go ahead. Hopefully I have enough grip in one hand. No, I don't. But you just want to put your flathead underneath and twist so this thing can go up and it won't be hooked onto this piece anymore. Do that for the rest of those, and I'll see you then. Okay, once you got all those clips out, before you can take out this back panel completely, this bulb over here that's wired, you gotta take that out. Just gonna use my pliers careful here, twist it, pull, like so, and then from the grips over here, you just take it off from the grips and you put it on the side. Give me a second. Okay, once you take out that, you can just put it on the side as so, and then you'll be able to lift this completely. Before I do that, just to make it a little bit more easier on the eyes, the next thing after you take out the back panel with your pliers again, there's gonna be clips, metallic clips that you want to pull backwards. There's gonna be two over here, two over here, two over here, and two over here. So a total of 8. So grab your pliers and pull those backwards because they're holding the motherboard itself. Okay, so once you got those metal tabs bent forward and back, there you go, right here, just like so. There's gonna be this plastic little white clip that's in the middle. Can't miss it. It's pretty much in the middle of this cluster. You want to bring this down. So with one hand, like your left hand, you bring this down, and with your right hand, you want to slowly just like pull this little by little. Don't use too much force. Don't try to pull it out completely from one side, but you just gotta shake it a bit as you pull it back. And as you do so, well, you have this plastic clip pressed down the whole time as you do so. The whole board will pop off. So let me just do that because you need both hands for this. You will see that it slowly starts lifting up more and more, and then you'll be able to just fully take it out like so. So there is your front part of your cluster. Just gonna put that on the side. And now here is basically your cluster itself. And right over here are the bulbs. So as you can see, they're labeled Nice of them for them to do that. And there is D4 right there, the most common burnt one. So for that middle bulb, all you really gotta do is get your pliers, carefully get a good grip on it, and rock it left and right. So you can just simply take it off like that. So you can see, this is a very kind of specific bulb. And no, you cannot just pull this bulb out of its socket. This is all one piece. If you pull it, you're gonna just basically get nothing but wires when you do. So you can reuse any of your other working bulbs and put it there. Or you can just buy the replacement piece. I'll put the part number in the description of the video. But yeah, those are two alternatives, either using one of your other bulbs or just getting the replacement in general. You just gotta match those the holes here from the placement and just drop it in. And that is how you fix your D4 light. Also, for a bonus, if you ever have your LCD cluster having numbers faded out, you just simply gotta resolder the pins back here, and all your numbers should light up just fine again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped out anyone out there. Peace.